Hey everybody, Jake here. Wanted to talk to you about this hand massager. This thing has multiple massage points within it. I feel it on my palm and in my fingers. There's even a massage point on the wrist that feels really good. Bear in mind, I've got long fingers, yet this thing is still able to target my whole hand. Even if you've got smaller hands, you're gonna feel the massage further up your wrist and maybe even to the tips of your fingers. The massage sensation that this provides is like a mild to firm pressure and then decompression. And then it squeezes again, kind of like when you get your blood pressure checked and they put that cuff on your arm and then they blow it up. That's kind of what this feels like, but it's happening in waves up and down the hand. But the whole thing is very gentle. It's very soft feeling on the inside, very silky. I have my bare hand in here, but they do provide a plastic glove that you can wear so that hand oil, sweat, things like that don't get inside the glove itself. There's also a heating function with 4 temperature levels, and the massager has 5 intensity settings. Some of the Amazon reviews say that it lacks range and variety, but I think that depends on the size of your hand and also what you might be looking for in a hand massager like this. Like I said, smaller hands might get more out of this, but ultimately I think the massage that you want is supposed to target the knuckles and the palm of your hand, which is what this does really well. This is small, it's portable, you can easily stick it in a bag. It's also quiet. I don't know if you can hear it right now. Like, I wouldn't hesitate to use this at the office or somewhere where it's kind of quiet. You're not gonna bother anybody. I think it's well worth the investment.